Welcome back to Mac Tracks. Today we are heading to a beautiful island off the east coast of Tanzania called Zanzibar, and we're going to track down the Zanzibar Red Colobus, which is a fascinating primate, hangs in the beautiful treetops, and they have the coolest hairdo, so let's suss them out. Few types of colobus monkeys, and a lot of them, there's the eastern black and white colobus, there's the Angolan colobus, lots of cool hairdos amongst them. They've got this beautiful sort of coat that hangs down, really long hair, and when I was in Uganda I heard them and I was so excited because a colobus noise is very distinct. It sounds like a mixture of maybe like a pig and a frog, I don't know. But it sounds incredible, and as soon as I heard it, I was like, oh, there is colobus somewhere around this area. I didn't see them. However, when I went to Zanzibar, I was lucky to visit Jozani National Park, and I found them. When we finally saw the colobus, they were everything I thought they would be. They were beautiful, that colouring and that cool hairdo that I was talking about. And there was a group of them. There was a beautiful family. They had a little young baby with them, which was very cool to see, grabbing onto mum or potentially siblings or other members of the family. And they were grooming one another. Now, this grooming is so important for that socialisation and communication of primates. Very cool thing to see that wild behaviour. Colobus are folivores, which means they primarily eat leaves, and they have a fascinating foregut fermenting system to help digest those. So even the locals have talked about how they come down and eat different charcoal in the area, which you'd think is just an adaptation to assisting in that sort of gut digesting system. We could have watched the colobus for ages, and we spent as long as we could with them, and then they wandered off on their own, and that was probably a cue that's, yep, we've had our wonderful time with them, let's move on. But as we were driving out of that forest area, there were other primate species that were hanging out with them as well. And so to see colobus foraging on trees close by, and then sark monkeys, I think they were, another species of primate that was just so close by, and they were just all sharing this one area. It was very, very cool to see. So happy that I took the time to explore Zanzibar, and particularly the Jozani National Park, and I got to see such a unique primate species endemic to that area. So I'm so happy I saw the primates with the coolest hairdo.